Shubham Dwivedi, a 31-year-old businessman hailing from Kanpur, never knew that his trip to Kashmir would be his last. Married just 2 months ago, he was among those 28 tourists that were killed in Tuesday's terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam, where Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has currently reached there, and he's interacting and with the grieving family there. As far as when it comes to Shubham is concerned, being one of the many victims of this terror attack, as multiple families were affected because of what the massacre that unfolded, the bloodbath that unfolded in Pahalgam. Adib is with us right now. Adib, the Chief Minister has arrived.
Well, Amita, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has arrived at the residence of Shubham Dwivedi. Currently, he's inside the residence and he's meeting with the family members, and you can see the kind of emotions that people have. They all are raising slogans against Pakistan. They all are shattered with the kind of the act of terrorism that has taken place, and they all are raising slogans against Pakistan and saying that justice should be given to Shubham. आप लोग लगातार पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ नारे लगा रहे हैं, क्या मांग है आप लोगों को?
पूरा देश बड़े धैर्य के साथ भारत की ओर से होने वाले पलटवार की प्रतीक्षा कर रहा है और निश्चित रूप से हमें अपने प्रधानमंत्री पर पूरा भरोसा है कि उन्हें माकूल, उचित और सही सटीक जवाब दिया जाएगा। पाकिस्तान के कब्जे वाले पीओके को हमको वापस लेना चाहिए। बलूचिस्तान के ऊपर कब्जा।
आप लोग शुभम के गांव के हैं, क्या कुछ आप लोगों की मांग है?
मांग है जैसे मारा है इनका वैसे मारा, घर गमा घुस के उनके न जाके, और
ईट का जवाब पत्थर से देने की आवश्यकता है। टिट फॉर टैट, सठम साठम समाचरित। जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने आचरण किया उससे ज्यादा मजबूत आचरण करके, उससे ज्यादा पलटवार करके सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक करनी हो, एयर स्ट्राइक करनी हो,
करना चाहिए। पूरे आतंकवाद को समाप्त करना चाहिए।
End to terrorism and justice should be given. In fact, these are the demands of the people. You can see that they are continuously raising slogans against Pakistan. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is inside the residence of Shubham Dwivedi. He's currently meeting with the family members, and in a short while from now he'll be coming out. You can see that the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, he has gone inside the residence to meet the family members, to offer his condolences, to pay his last respect to Shubham Dwivedi and his family members. And right outside Shubham Dwivedi's house, the locals of Kanpur, the neighbors of Shubham Dwivedi, they are continuously raising slogans against Pakistan, demanding justice, that justice should be given to Shubham, and not just Shubham, but to all other people, all those 28 people, those who have lost lives, they lost their lives in the devastating attack, terrorist attack that has taken place in Pahalgam, Amita.
Well, Adib, keep speaking to us because we can hear certain chants behind you as well as the last rites that would be conducted. And this time, Shubham had taken his family along as far as when it comes to this very special trip to Kashmir is concerned. He recently also got married.
Well, definitely, Amita, as you said, people are continuously raising slogans against Pakistan. You can see that how they are raising slogans, they are demanding justice, and they say that justice should be given to Shubham. And we have some more people. आप लोग यहाँ पे लगातार धूप में खड़े हैं, नारे लगा रहे पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ, क्या मांग है?
हमारी ये मांग है कि जिस प्रकार के से पिछली बार सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हुई थी, उसी प्रकार सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक करके जिस प्रकार से 28 लोगों को मारा है, तो हम उन 2800 आतंकियों को समाप्त करने का काम करें, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान रुक रुक के इस प्रकार की घटनाएं किया करता है। जब तक इसको मुंहतोड़ जवाब कायदे का नहीं दिया जाएगा, तब तक ये शांत होने वाला नहीं है। हमारा कुछ भी नुकसान हो, मगर इसको नेस्तनाबूद करना आवश्यक हो गया है।
मुख्यमंत्री भी यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं, क्या मांगे, किस तरह से शुभम और जो बाकी के लोग हैं उनको न्याय मिले?
जैसे इजराइल ने हमास को खत्म किया है, वैसे ही भारत को भी अब पाकिस्तान को खत्म कर देना चाहिए। बिल्कुल समतल कर देना चाहिए।
सरकार को पाक अधिकृत कश्मीर में घुसना चाहिए और वहाँ पे जो भी आतताई विचार और आतंकवादियों को नस्ते-नाबूद करना चाहिए। इस तरह के विचार, इस तरह के सोच
सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक से बढ़ के होना चाहिए।
लगातार आप लोग नारे लगा रहे हैं, क्या रहेगी मांग आप लोगों की? देश की सरकार से
हमारी मांग ये रहेगी कि हमारी फौज रिटेलिएट करे, इंटरनेशनल फोरम पे अपना पक्ष मजबूत करे, यूएन में भी अपने मुद्दे उठाए।
You can see that people are demanding justice. They are saying that strict action should be taken against Pakistan. You can see that how people have gathered up on their rooftops also. They all are trying to catch a glimpse of what's happening on the ground, and in fact they all are very angry and filled with emotions with what kind of terrorism that has taken place, the way in which the manner in which Shubham Dwivedi was shot by terrorists. So these people, they all have gathered outside Shubham's residence, and they all are here since early morning. They are saying that once the chief minister departs from here, they all are going to pay their last respect to Shubham Dwivedi. And meanwhile, they continue to raise slogans against Pakistan, demanding justice against Shubham, justice for the Shubham Dwivedi and the others, those who have been killed. And in fact, they say that the strict action should be taken against Pakistan, the kind of terrorism that Pakistan has been sponsoring, and Pakistan is involved in these kind of terrorism. So now it's a time for a much bigger action than surgical strike. These are the demands of the people, and you can see that how they all are standing right in this scorching heat, protesting, continuously raising slogans against Pakistan. They are saying that Pakistan should be dealt with strict measures, severe measures should be taken against Pakistan, and this is how they all are saying that Shubham and all the other 28 people will only get justice when serious action is taken against Pakistan. Amita.
Well, Adeeb, as far as the assurance that is himself coming in from the Chief Minister, who all along with the Chief Minister can be seen accompanying him, because he seems to be also interacting with the families there, and all possible help and assistance is something that has been assured by the Chief Minister.
Well, definitely, Amita. See, first, the family members of Shubham Dwivedi were told that it would take around 3 to 4 days to bring back the body from Jammu and Kashmir, but they urged Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath that his body should be sent as soon as possible. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself intervened in this matter, and after that his body was sent, was taken from Lucknow airport last night, and his mortal remains arrived at Kanpur. And now Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is interacting with his family members. The wife of Shubham Dwivedi, his father, they all are present inside. And apart from Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, local MLAs of the Kanpur area, along with the UP Assembly Speaker, they all are inside the residence inside where Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is paying their homage to the people. In fact, we'll try to get a quick word from the people also. लगातार आप लोग यहाँ पे नारे लगा रहे हैं, क्या आप लोगों की मांग है? मुख्यमंत्री भी अंदर मौजूद है।
हमारी यही मांग है केंद्र सरकार से, राज्य सरकार से, पाकिस्तान के ऊपर जल्द से जल्द हमला किया जाए और बड़ा एक्शन लिया जाए, तभी पाकिस्तान सुधरेगा। अपनी मनमानी करता है, जब चाहता है तब अटैक कर देता है। इसको बहुत बड़ा सबक सिखाना चाहिए भारत सरकार को। जल्द से जल्द एक सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक से बड़ा हमला किया जाए पाकिस्तान के ऊपर। हमें यही केंद्र सरकार से
क्या कुछ कहना है आप लोगों को?
भारतीय जनमानस की आकांक्षा पूरी मोदी जी से, जो 28 हमारे भारतीय मारे गए उनके बदले में 2800 मारे जाएं और पूरा पाकिस्तान अधिकृत पीओके हमारा वापस ले लिया जाए।
आप लोग लगातार यहाँ पे प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, क्या आप लोगों की मांग है?
सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, शुभम भाई की मौत का बदला होना चाहिए, करारा जवाब मिलना चाहिए पाकिस्तान को। अब यही
अधिकृत कश्मीर में घुसना चाहिए, सारे ट्रीटीज खत्म कर देनी चाहिए, इंडस का पानी भी रोकना चाहिए, जिससे कि पाकिस्तान को उसका सबक मिले और आतताई सोच के खिलाफ प्रदर्शन करना चाहिए।
Well, Amita, you can also see Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He's out now. He's going to address the media. He's being accompanied by BJP State President Bhupen Chaudhary and other senior BJP leaders and ministers. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is right outside, and he's going to address the media on the situation. He has just met the family members of Shubham Dwivedi. He has paid his last respect, and now he's here. He's going to brief the media.
Who just met with the grieving family of Shubham Dwivedi, who was one of the victims of this targeted terror attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir. And he has assured all possible help and also saying that much is being done by the government. So there is a befitting response that comes to the Pakistani perpetrators of this terror attack. We have Adeeb with us right now. Pradeep, Adeeb, I beg your pardon. This has been one of the strongest messages that has now come across from the Chief Minister himself. Of course, we know that the family is grieving, but saying that this attack would be avenged.
Well, definitely, Amita, and a big statement coming straight from Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He says that the terrorists will have to pay the consequences. मुख्यमंत्री अभी यहाँ पर थे। मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा कि न सिर्फ वो आतंकवादी बल्कि उनके आकाओं से भी बदला लिया जाएगा। इसका बदला ले रहा है। किस तरह से इस बयान को देखते हैं मुख्यमंत्री के आप लोग?
मुख्यमंत्री जी का बयान जो है वो बहुत ही हमको आशा देने वाला है और उनके विचार से हम सभी सहमत हैं और उनको उनके आकाओं के ठिकानों पर ही नकेल कसनी चाहिए, चोट देनी चाहिए, तभी इस विचार का खात्मा हो पाएगा।
मुख्यमंत्री ने परिवार से मिला है, आश्वासन दिया। मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा है कि आतंकवादियों से सख्ती से निपटा जाएगा।
बिल्कुल, मुख्यमंत्री जी ने जो कहा है हम लोग सब लोग उनसे सहमत हैं और बिल्कुल मोदी सरकार, योगी सरकार मिलके बहुत ही कड़ा से कड़ा इसमें रुख लेगी और पाकिस्तान को करारा जवाब देगी।
क्या लगता है आपको, मुख्यमंत्री यहाँ पे मिलके गए हैं, परिवार को आश्वासन दिया है, किस तरह का जो आप उन्होंने बोला आपको लगा है आप पे?
बिल्कुल करेगी भारत सरकार, नेस्तनाबूद करेगी, बिल्कुल पीओके बिल्कुल खत्म कर।
पाक अधिकृत कश्मीर में घुसें और ऐसे ठिकानों को और ऐसी आतताई सोच के खिलाफ एक नई मुहिम छेड़ें जिससे कि इसका
अमेरिका इजराइल घुस के मारता है, ऐसे ही बिल्कुल मारना चाहिए।
मुख्यमंत्री का कहना है कि सिर्फ नहीं वो आतंकवादी बल्कि उनके जो आकाएं हैं उन तक भी भारत सरकार पहुंचेगी।
भारत सरकार को वहीं तक पहुंचना चाहिए, उनके आका जो उनके अड्डे हैं।
अमेरिका ने घुस के मारा था पाकिस्तान में, ऐसे इनके आकाओं को एक एक करके घुस के मारना चाहिए।
में ताशकंद हाईजैक के बाद जिन आकाओं को छोड़ा गया था उन आकाओं के खिलाफ अब फिर से एक मुहिम छेड़ी जाए।
So you heard the reactions of the people, those who are standing outside the Shubham Dwivedi's residence. They say that what Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said is very assuring, and now they demand strict action against Pakistan. They say that the terrorists should be dealt with severe measures. Strict action should be taken against the terrorists, and not just the terrorists, but their leaders who plotted and conspired in this ghastly terror attack. So this is the emotions of the people, and Chief Minister Yogi
Absolutely,
Adityanath,
and the very
he
same
just met
emotion
with
and
the family
sentiments
members.
is being felt by each and every Indian there, where it comes to these grieving families and heart-wrenching stories and chilling testimonies that have now come across. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who currently is in Kanpur, has paid his tribute and condolences to the family of Shubham Dwivedi, who was one of the other victims there. When it comes to the butchers who had killed Shubham Dwivedi, the Kanpur-based businessman who was recently married, and he was one of the many those who were killed for just being a Hindu. Now today the Chief Minister has paid his tribute and also giving out a befitting response to these perpetrators, these terrorists would be given very soon.
2 months. That's all the time 31-year-old Shubham Dwivedi managed to spend with his wife Aishanya. He was a businessman who hailed from Kanpur, the only son to his parents with no siblings. Shubham was traveling with his clan, a total of 11 people, on a 6-day trip. Look at him in this video. How happy he is, how he is enjoying Kashmir visit, how serene it feels to have family around. But no one knew it was not going to last. On the 22nd, Shubham and his wife headed to the mountains on horseback. Little did they know that it was going to be their final ride. The terrorists got hold of Shubham, cornered him, asked for his name and ordered him to recite Kalma. He could not, and that was the last he breathed. The butchers shot Shubham on his head, leaving behind a grieving wife, shell-shocked and wondering why his husband.
वो एक बहुत ही चिन्हित लोगों के खिलाफ जिस तरीके की बर्बरता हुई है, मैं चाहता हूं कि सरकार उसका उसी रूप में जवाब दे। मेरे भाई से उन्होंने कहा कि अगर तुम कलमा पढ़ दो तो तुम्हें छोड़ देंगे। वो समझ ही नहीं पाए कि किस वजह से ऐसे पूछ रहे हैं। उनको लगा कि कोई हंसी मजाक कर रहा है और तुरंत ही उनके सर पे गोली मार दी। गोली मारने के बाद मेरी भाभी से कहा कि जाकर के अपनी सरकार को बताना कि हमने तुम्हारे साथ क्या किया है।
Make no mistake, this terror attack was not just on those people. It was an attack on peace, an attack on democracy. But make no mistake, every citizen is united in this cause, and those butchers will not be spared. Bureau Report, Times Now.